It's different from other training because me personally, I've taken a tech class in high school, and it was like 30 to 60 other kids. The attention was so divided that I really didn't feel like I was learning anything, and it wasn't as hands-on. And when you did hands-on stuff, you couldn't find a teacher because it was helping, other kids. So it made it hard. That's not what this place is. The max kids I've seen in, the class was 14, and they were always there. You ask a question, they come over, almost immediately and help out, or they'd answer it, in a way that made you understand it. It's just so much different. It's just way better.